Here's a step-by-step tutorial for fixing firewall blockages when new apps or cloud tools aren't functioning due to blocked outbound ports or incorrect IP whitelisting. This is a common issue for ICT support technicians working in corporate environments where security policies are enforced through hardware-software firewalls. Issue: firewall blockages. New software or cloud services are failing to connect properly due to blocked outbound ports or IP address restrictions with wrong whitelist entries or missing entries. Step-by-step fix guide. Step 1. Confirm the application or cloud tool. Failing. Identify the exact app or tool that is not functioning, like Zoom, Office 365, GitHub, Slack. Ask the user for error messages or symptoms like can't connect to server or timeout. Test from another network like a mobile hotspot to confirm it's a firewall issue. Step 2. Review vendor requirements. Go to the official documentation of the app or cloud service and gather required outbound ports, required IP ranges or FQDNs, protocols used like HTTPS or SFTP. Example: Microsoft Teams requires outbound ports 443, 3478, 3481 UDP, and several FQDNs. Step 3. Check firewall logs and rules log into your corporate firewall like FortiGate, pfSense, Cisco ASA, or software firewall. Check blocked outbound attempts to the required IPs or domains, denied port access from internal IPs or subnets. Tip: use real-time logging or export logs filtered by the internal IP of the affected user. Step 4. Test port connectivity from the affected machine or server. Run telnet hostname port, for example, telnet.outlook.office365.com 443. Or use PowerShell. Test net connection, computer name hostname, port. If the connection fails, confirm it's a firewall issue and not DNS or routing. Step 5. Update firewall rules in the firewall console. Allow required outbound ports TCP, UDP to specific IPs or IP ranges. Or allow access to specific FQDNs if your firewall supports FQDN-based rules. Be cautious to restrict the scope. For example, only allow specific subnets or user groups. Example rule: allow TCP 443 outbound from subnet 192.168, 1.0/24 to IP range 40.112, 0.0/13. Step 6. Adjust IP whitelisting. If the firewall uses whitelisting, ensure the correct IP addresses or ranges are added. For tools using dynamic IPs, use FQDN-based rules if possible. Example: for AWS services, use published AWS IP ranges or FQDNs like s3.amazonos.com. Step 7. Apply and save changes. Apply the rule changes in your firewall. Commit or save the configuration depending on your firewall. For example, save config in pfSense or write memory in Cisco ASA. Step 8. Test again. Ask the user to retry the application or service. Rerun connectivity tests, ping, telnet, testnet connection, or even browser tests. Monitor for logs showing allowed traffic this time. Step 9. Document the changes record. What rules were added and changed? Which app tool do they apply to? The reason for the change. Update your IT documentation or change control log if applicable. Optional. Set up logging or alerts. Enable email alerts or syslog to notify you of future blocked attempts for similar traffic. Consider group policies or network segmentation to limit exposure only to needed devices. Tips and precautions. Don't open all ports or wildcard IPs unless absolutely necessary. Ensure the firewall firmware is updated to support FQDN filtering if required. Test changes in a staging environment if possible, especially in production networks. Let me know if you want a customized example for a specific app like Zoom, Office 365, or QuickBooks Cloud.